What are you doing here?
They did not want me after all.
Oh.
Breaking news: a tornado is heading straight for Georgetown. Everybody stay indoors.
I have to go and find Florence. She is not home yet.
Did you just not hear what the lady with the bad hairstyle just said?
Florence, is that you?
Sup, Florence?
Sup?
Florence, your mom is in the storm looking for you.
The storm is getting very bad.
Yes. Hello, Rena.
Can you come over to my place? I am very scared.
Yes, of course.
Where are you going? I do not want you going out in the storm.
I am going to see Rena.
Not in this weather, you're not.
Listen, you string bean looking freak of nature, I said I am going out.
I have had enough.
What happened?
Why didn't you flush the toilet?
I am sorry.